For this video, we're going to be looking at applying text styles. So for text style, under the Home tab. This option or block here called styles is what we're going to be looking at. So the first option is our normal option, so as it is. As you can see between the two paragraphs here, for paragraph 1 and video, you can see there's a slight gap. So if we move to styles option here, it removes all the gaps. Okay, and we can move across to heading 1 and it changes as we start moving. Now, one of the advantages of using a style, especially if we highlight, for example, the first one, make it a title. If we go to paragraph 2 and we select heading 1, paragraph 3, make that heading 2. As I select heading 2, you can see heading 3 appears. So one of the advantages of this is this can help you create a table of contents very quickly by using these styles. So if the information under paragraph 2 is unimportant, we select that arrow. Just to see that arrow, we just move our mouse over paragraph 2, we select that arrow and everything below it disappears. Okay, if I decided to change that to a heading 1, okay, like paragraph 2, and I select that, anything under paragraph 2 disappears. Okay, so when we get to the section on applying references, I'll show you how to create a table of contents by using the different styles that are built into Microsoft Word. If we use these down arrows here, we can see what else there is. If we press on this more button, we can see everything that is there, and we can go ahead and create our own styles or clear formatting or apply a different style.